Hey guys, I did a short on this mic right here. It is a Hollyland wireless mic you can use with your GoPro, your DSLR, and also your phone. So this is really handy. It's a noise canceling. The green button indicates a noise canceling function along with the receiver, the transmitter. On this, it's really good. This is a sample of what I'm using, and I'm just going to go ahead and turn this off, and it turns the blue, and that indicates the noise canceling is off. So that's the difference between the two settings. And I'll switch it back to noise canceling once again. And this mic works very well. I'm very impressed with this. You can take it where you want. It's got a little clip here. You can clip it on your lapel or somewhere on your shirt, or just hold it. And it works really, really good. I highly suggest it. I'll put a link in the description of this video so you guys can take a look at it. And if you want to purchase it, that's great. That's awesome. And I believe it's still on sale on Amazon. So get it while you can. All right.